Breakfast, the most important meal of the day. We've all heard this phrase countless times, but do we really understand the benefits of eating breakfast? It's not just a saying, it's a fact backed by science and research. So let's delve into the reasons why breakfast is so crucial for our overall health and well-being. First and foremost, breakfast jumpstarts our metabolism. After a night of fasting while we sleep, our bodies need fuel to kickstart our metabolism and provide us with energy for the day ahead. By eating a nutritious breakfast, we are essentially breaking the fast and giving our bodies the energy they need to function properly. This can help regulate our blood sugar levels and prevent overeating later in the day. Furthermore, eating breakfast can improve our cognitive function. Studies have shown that people who eat breakfast tend to have better concentration, focus, and memory throughout the day. This is because breakfast provides our brains with the necessary nutrients to function optimally. Without breakfast, we may feel sluggish, irritable, and have difficulty concentrating on tasks. In addition, breakfast can help with weight management. Contrary to popular belief, skipping breakfast does not necessarily lead to weight loss. In fact, it can have the opposite effect. When we skip breakfast, we are more likely to overeat later in the day and make unhealthy food choices. By eating a balanced breakfast, we can curb our hunger and cravings, leading to better portion control and overall healthier eating habits. Moreover, breakfast can improve our overall nutrient intake. A well-rounded breakfast that includes a mix of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats can provide us with essential vitamins and minerals that our bodies need to function properly. This can help prevent nutrient deficiencies and support our overall health and well-being. Another benefit of eating breakfast is improved mood and energy levels. When we start our day with a nutritious meal, we are more likely to feel energized and positive throughout the day. This can help improve our mood, reduce stress levels, and enhance our overall sense of well-being. On the other hand, skipping breakfast can lead to feelings of fatigue, irritability, and low energy levels. Furthermore, breakfast can help improve our heart health. Research has shown that people who eat breakfast regularly are less likely to develop heart disease and other cardiovascular conditions. This is because a healthy breakfast can help lower cholesterol levels, regulate blood pressure, and improve overall heart function. By starting our day with a heart-healthy meal, we can reduce our risk of heart disease and improve our overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, breakfast can boost our immune system. A nutritious breakfast that includes foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can help strengthen our immune system and protect us from illness and infection. By providing our bodies with the necessary nutrients to fight off pathogens, we can reduce our risk of getting sick and improve our overall immune function. Lastly, breakfast can improve our overall quality of life. By making breakfast a priority and starting our day with a healthy meal, we can set the tone for the rest of the day. We are more likely to make healthier choices throughout the day, have better energy levels, and feel more positive and productive. Breakfast is not just about nourishing our bodies, it's about nourishing our minds and souls as well. In conclusion, the benefits of eating breakfast are numerous and far-reaching. From jumpstarting our metabolism to improving our cognitive function, weight management, nutrient intake, mood, energy levels, heart health, immune system, and overall quality of life, breakfast plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. So next time you're tempted to skip breakfast, remember all the reasons why it's the most important meal of the day. Your body and mind will thank you for it.